Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it and do not forget to turn on notifications for the future videos. Alright, previously we finalized our branch using with Git and GitHub, and I show you how can you use remote repository. Now we're going to do a little bit more tricky. I'm gonna show you how you're supposed to use with your team your GitHub. Alright, first of all, I'm going to tell you a story and we're going to build our project according to this story, guys. Okay, so if you remember previous lesson, we already create a repository and pushed our project to our remote repository. Just consider it we were an admin or a team leader and we create initial project, and now we're going to add collaborator to help us our project, guys. Okay, after we add collaborator, it means collaborator means our teammates. They're going to do their projects, start their projects, and they're going to push their projects in our repository, and I am going to have a look. If I accept them as a team leader, I am going to merge their changes in our living project. Okay, now start with the adding collaborator. Let me find how can I add collaborators. Let's go to settings, collaborators. Yeah, okay, let's add a people. I'm going to add myself. I have another mail.com, another a GitHub account. It must be the GitHub demo, right? Yes, correct. Perfect. Now I'm going to use my mobile phone to accept this invitation. Give me a couple of minutes, guys. Let me have a look my inbox. All right. Yes, I received an invitation. I click the view invitation. Oh, it's another. I need to sign out first, then I need to sign in again. Sorry for waiting. Okay, let's click view invitation again. It's gonna take a little more, I guess. Sign out. All right. I need to sign in, I guess. Just a second. All right, I'm signing in now. All right, I found the invitation. I accept invitation. Perfect. Now, what I need to do is I'm going to log out from here because I'm going to use as a collaborator now. Okay, let's close everything. Let's close everything. Now, let me delete my credential. I'm doing those things as because I'm using both as an admin and user. Where is my GitHub credentials? I couldn't see where it is. GitHub. I guess there is no. Let me have a look. I don't want my account auto login. GitHub. No, it's not. Okay, let's try that one. No, perfect. There is no credential here. Very nice. Okay, now I am going to clone my project. All right. Let's create a new folder here. New clone. All right. CD. Let's have a look our path first. CD desktop and CD new clone. Okay. Git clone. Then I need to. Alright, let me have a look. My invitation. Is my invitation here? No, it's not set up yet. Okay, let's go Gmail here. Okay, where is my invitation? Yeah, this is my repository. Let's copy. Now, yes, it's cloned. Let's have a look. It's here. Okay. CD GitHub demo. Here we go. We are in. Okay. Now I'm going to work as a user in this project, and I'm gonna do my changes, and I'm gonna send it to the main repository, main remote repository as a collaborator. Then the admin, the team leaders, log in and have a look my changes, and they're going to accept or reject my changes. Okay. Now let's have a look how many branch we have. Git branch. There is no any branch, so I'm gonna create a new branch with my name. Git branch. It can be your name, your task name, or they can give a kind of ID. It depends. It depends your project. Um, it depends your project and project specifications, guy. All right. Now git check out. All right. Now I'm gonna do new project. I'm gonna add new project. This is a new file, and if you remember, this is a drawing file, and I'm going to add a Word document which has a calculations for quantity, for example. Just enter and type some random text. It doesn't matter what they are. Okay, we saved it. Let's git add all. Let's git commit -m calculations are added. Perfect. Now we're not going to main section. Alright guys, now we're going to push directly to the remote. Okay, just type git push and you will get an error message. So why I'm telling you, because we need this command exactly. Do not memorize. If you memorize, it's okay, but if you can't memorize, just type git push and copy this command and paste. Oh, not working again. Okay, paste. Perfect. It means we're going to send our branch directly to the remote as a branch. Okay, let's enter. Perfect. We send it. Okay, let's log in with our GitHub account with this one. No, not that one. Let's log in with this one. It's going to be easy to log in, I guess. Sign in. Yep, sign in. I have to accept from my mobile app. Approve. All right. Now let me have a look. Yes, this is my collaboration project. This is, as you can see, I just sent this branch in this project. So let me have a look with commit ahead of. We need to send the pull request if I remember correctly. Let's click this one. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to create a pull request, and when I create it, the team leader able to see and approve or reject. Okay, calculation or edits. Please have a look my calculations. Yeah, for example, let's create a pull request. It's done. And checking for, okay, all done. Let's close now. And let's log in with the admin account. Sign in. Perfect. Let's go to which one? This one, I guess. Yeah, we have two branch, as you can see. Let's click the second one. One commit ahead of main. Yeah, there is a pull request. As you can see, there is a pull request here. You can click here as well. Yep, here one calculations are added. Let's have a look this pull request. Okay, if it's accepted, they can click merge pull request, and there is messages and names, everything here. Just confirm the merge, and pull request successfully merged and closed. So we don't need this branch anymore, so we can delete it. Let's delete the branch. All done. Let's go back to the main. So we have a calculation doc, we have a new file, everything is here. Perfect. All right, let me have a look how many minutes have been done. 13 minutes. We still have time. Okay, what if someone adds something in the remote repository while we are working? What's gonna happen now? All right. What can I do if you're working? It's been, for example, you're working on a massive project. You clone your project. It took 5 days. So in this situation, during this time, someone may add some file, some calculation, some drawing, some codes, everything can be included to your project. And in this section, edit those project may affect your project, your side of project. So you have to time by time pull the main project and see if is there any changes. Okay, let's add a new file here. Create a new file. Name your file test.txt. Commit changes. Let's commit changes. Perfect. It's done. But in my local repository, it's not like that. Even I pushed my own files and my main branch is really stay behind. Let's go back to the main. Git check out main. All right. And your branch is up to date with the origin main. Okay, perfect. Let's try to git pull. As you can see, two file changes, calculation and text. Calculation, which is I sent a couple of minutes ago to the team leader to approval, and it's approved, and I'm pulling it again to update my main. And someone add a test.txt file, which is I did by in our story, someone might add a file. So I updated my main branch so I can continue with my development. Okay, let's go to my, okay, I can, by the way, I can delete my my branch, or I can create a new branch. Git branch. As you can see, there is another branch, so I'm going to create another branch. Git branch Hasan dash, for example, task 2. Okay. All right, now everything is up to date. I'm going to continue to develop my project, and I'm going to do again everything same which is previously we done, guys. All right, I'm going to finish this lesson here. Let me have a look my notes. Is there anything missing here? I guess I'm going to finalize git bash, git and GitHub here. Actually, not GitHub. Actually, Git. I'm going to finalize Git here. Next lesson will be going to about Visual Studio. Actually, I showed you those codes, commands, everything on the Git because I want you to know, just in case some companies are asking, do you know how to use Git? So it might be important. Now we're going to switch to use Visual Studio. We're going to do everything and more on Visual Studio, guys. Alright, now take care of yourself. I'm going to finish this lesson here. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.